Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through Kingston. We are now on Arden Road heading towards New Kingston. On the left are commercial buildings, lots of offices. On the right, that's the National Land Agency. All these buildings on the left are commercial buildings where people rent, and they have like law offices. A lot of doctor offices on the left as well. Okay. On the right now is the Arden High School, one of the top schools in Jamaica. It's a co-ed school, and it's always ranked amongst the top 5 schools in Jamaica every year. Not sure what's going on the left. Looks like a garbage bin that they're throwing away. Okay, we're now turning onto Dominica Drive, which is a Trafalgar Park neighborhood. Some nice houses in the area. We're driving through Trafalgar Park heading towards New Kingston. On the left, I don't think you can see it. On the left is the atrium, which is the head office for the NCB Bank. Okay, in front of us now is Trafalgar Road. So we're going to be turning left onto Trafalgar Road. The intersection in front of us is the intersection on Knutsford Boulevard with Trafalgar Road. So we're going to turn right onto Knutsford Boulevard and enter New Kingston. Now New Kingston is like the business district of Jamaica. Like when you think of the business district in America, you think of Wall Street. In Jamaica, you think of New Kingston. Every bank, every financial institution is in this area. Knutsford Boulevard is the most popular road in New Kingston. It has all the hotels, the banks, everything. And as you can see, there is a yellow line, and these cars still parked there and block up one lane of traffic just because of indiscipline. And the police don't seem to move them, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. But there's a clear yellow line, and they are blocking the flow of traffic. On the left, it looks like the police are giving somebody a ticket, which is kind of ironic, isn't it? They pass so many other people, but I guess that person was just unlucky. On the left, as you can see, these cars, at least they have on the hazard light when they're blocking the road. It's a disgrace. No discipline on the roads in Jamaica. People stop anywhere they want. It's amazing. Cars on the extreme left are parked legally because that's parking. But this lane that we're in, the cars stop and just block the road. Okay, that intersection in front of us is Trinidad Terrace. It used to be a one-way, but I think you can turn right on Trinidad Terrace now. You can definitely turn left as well. Yeah, you can turn left and right onto Trinidad Terrace now. These persons are lined up to use the ATM. Okay, on the left is the New Kingston police station or police post. And in front of us is the Bijou Jewelry Store. It's one of the most popular jewelry stores in Jamaica. That tall building in front of us is the Hilton Hotel. And then beside it, that's the Courtney Hotel. And then the back building is the Pegasus Hotel. The Pegasus is actually the tallest building in Jamaica today. I think the Hilton, yeah, it's closed for renovations. The persons that own the Courtney took over the Hilton. I don't know if they leased it or they probably bought it because they're doing some serious renovations. So the hotel is closed at the moment. Okay, we're turning on to Park Boulevard. On the left is Emancipation Park. And straight in front of us is the Marriott Courtyard. Now, on the right was Ligony Club, but when we're leaving, we'll point it out. So on the left is Emancipation Park. Now, straight ahead is the National Housing Trust. I always refer to it as the NHT. It's actually one of the better run institutions in Jamaica. We'll discuss that on another day. Okay, that blue building was the parking garage for NHT. Now on the left is the Marriott Hotel. That tall white building straight in front of us was the Hilton Hotel. And straight in front of us now, that's Ligony Club. You can't really see much of it. And straight in front now, that's the Pegasus. The Pegasus is currently the tallest building in Jamaica, but a new building is being built that's going to be taller than the Pegasus, but they haven't started building it yet. So as of today, the Pegasus is still the tallest building in Jamaica. And then straight in front, that's the Courtney Hotel. Ironically, the Pegasus was built, I think, in the 1970s. And between the 1970s and today, almost 40 years ago, no other building has been built taller than the Pegasus. That's a long time. Okay, that's the entrance to Ligony Club on the left. And we are on Knutsford Boulevard heading back towards Trafalgar Road. We're going to turn left onto Dominica Drive. And straight ahead is the famous KFC. KFC is the most popular fast food restaurant in Jamaica. The chicken you get at KFC is among the best in the world. They sell barbecue chicken that you only get in Jamaica. You don't get it in the US. And it's very popular. Okay, that tall building at the end of the road, that's the towers. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.